the underhood would be.
It's a car. Wouldn't be able to show it.
Unless you fix stuff.
Well, the underhood would be.
For that.